panel how-to. So let's get into this. I'll show you how I make them and what they look like beforehand. So if you want to step over here to the table, I've got my material already cut. I'm actually using a diamond material. I've already got it cut to the dimensions. I think it looks nice. I think it's going to look good on the project. I've already got my backing board made. Now this is actually pretty simple, but if you notice, I've already got a mark right here because it has to slide up into a little bit of a lip, and I don't want my material to go past this line. So I'm going to show you a little trick how we do that. So let's go ahead and get started. I get my panel laid down. I get my piece flipped up here. I try to get everything centered. And I will start down here at the bottom. Get my glue on, let it set.
That's good.
All right, so we will get the glue on here. We will get it set. As soon as it starts tacking up a little bit, we will fold this over. That's good and sticky. We will fold this over. Looks like that's good and stuck. And then we will stretch this side a little bit. Start it, making sure the material is on here. All right, so really black diamond material on a panel. Now we're going to do another bigger panel that goes up in the top, and I'm going to use some gray material on that, and then in between those two we'll have a little bit of black, and I think it's going to look really nice. So let's go ahead and check this out, and we'll get after it. All right, that ought to do that. We'll get that. Hold it up here in just a second. I love the part where I get all good and sticky. Start over in the middle. Don't want to stretch the greatest. Okay. We've got this panel done. Let's flip it up here and see how we did on it. So we got everything down. Oh wow, actually came out pretty nice. I'm kind of digging on that. The gray's gonna look really nice with the black. So, all right, we've got that one done. Now, only 3 or 4 more to go, folks. So let's try to get this project done. Okay, so we have been getting these panels pieced together and trying to get them in our project here so we can get this thing out of this bay, because we do need it. But real quick, we're gonna go out here and try out our new target, so stay tuned. Let's get after it. All right, folks, let's make the new target ring. Okay, folks, so let's make the new target ring with the Taurus. Well, I guess the Taurus does not want to cooperate, so good old reliable. New target rings. I like it. All right, well, that was fun. We actually made the new target ring and exactly what we was looking for. So now when we're actually out trying to do a little bit of fast paced shooting, we can actually hear the rounds hit the target. You know, I love it. So that's the reason we wanted to get one. Now, if you notice, we had a round that didn't go off in the Taurus, and honestly, I made a comment that, you know, come on Taurus, you can do better than this. Well, guess what? It's not on Taurus. So once we got it back in here in the shop and actually got the round out of it, I want to be clear that, you know, it was actually a round manufacturer that had made a mistake. The primer didn't go off. It was protruding out of the round and the casing on it. I didn't know it. Kind of got everything locked up, so I actually had to use quite a bit of force on a bench in order to get the round to eject. Once I did, it was blatant. I saw it. Now I know. So want to make sure we got that straight. But for now, let's go over here and we'll check out what we've got on this interior, and let me know what you think, guys. All right, well, there we have it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode on automotive panel how-to, or anything panel how-to for that fact of matter. It's just a matter of taking the time and effort to make sure you get your cuts lined up properly if you're going around a curve or an edge in order to be able to get the desired effect that you want. So I hope that, you know, this helps if you guys ever want to choose to do this. Now, like I said, we are using padded backing material, and then we're putting the vinyl over it, so we actually have a little bit more cushion behind that, so that does help as well. But like I said, if you like what we're doing, you want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode, folks. Thanks for watching.